this video, we will discuss about the textual exercise which has given on the page number 80. First, match the proper terms from column A and C with the description in column B. 3 columns as given A, B, C, and all 3 columns should be matched properly. Thallophyta in A column, Thallophyta has given. Thallophyta, these plants mainly grow in water. These plants mainly grow in water. It has given in column B, and next third column C, algae. So sentence form like this: Thallophyta, these plants mainly grow in water, algae. In C column, all the examples are given. Again in A column, Bryophyta, these plants need water for reproduction. In C column, moss. Sentence form like this: Bryophyta, these plants need water for reproduction, moss. Again in column A, Pteridophyta. Pteridophyta, in B column, tissues are present for conduction of water and food. In C column, ferns. So Pteridophyta, these are Pteridophyta, tissues are present for conduction of water and food, fern. Again in A column, Gymnosperms. Gymnosperms, in B column, no natural covering on seeds. C column, Cycas. So sentence form like this: Gymnosperms, no natural covering on seeds, Cycas. Again the last one in the A column, Angiosperms. In B column, seeds are formed in fruits, tamarind. In C column. So sentence form like this: Angiosperms, seeds are formed in fruits, tamarind. So in this way you match the columns A, B, C. Now question number 2. Complete the sentences by filling in the blanks and explain those statements. Words are given: Angiosperms, Gymnosperms, spore, Bryophyta, Thallophyta, zygote. A. Dash plants have soft and fiber-like body. Thallophyta. Thallophyta plants have soft and fiber-like body. B. Dash is called amphibian of plants kingdom. Bryophyta. Bryophyta is called the amphibian of the plant kingdom. C. In pteridophytes, asexual reproduction occurs by spore formation and sexual reproduction occurs by zygote formation. D. Male and female flowers of Gymnosperms are born on different sporophylls of the same plant. So Angiosperm is left and others are coming in the A, B, C and D. Now other questions also I have discussed and I have given for exercise. Characteristic of Thallophyta with example, distinguish between algae and fungi, distinguish between so many questions I have given. Now related to Gymnosperm and Angiosperm, in the next class I will give the questions. Thank you.